We'll guide you through how to clear the cache in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be a good idea to go and clear and delete the cache in Google Chrome, because over time this will go and build up as you visit different websites. Also, if there's a change in a website or on a web page you're looking at, then it may not always go and be reflected, because if you visited it before, Google Chrome is using the cache version of it. So what we can do is go and clear and delete it, and the next time you go there, you'll go and get the latest version as there's no cache. And it will go and reboot up again, and so in the future you can always go and clear it again, but you'll know how with the help of this video. So in order to do this, you need to go to the top right of Chrome. There you'll go and find the three dots, which you can then go and click on. Go down and you need to go and find the option for settings. There's quite a few different options, but settings is right at the bottom. In here, you then need to head over to the left and you need to go and find the option for privacy and security, the third option. You can click there. Then in the list, privacy and security, you want to find the option delete browsing data. It's going to have lots of other things selected here, but what you want to do is just go and have cookies and other site data and cache images and files. At the top, you can choose a time frame. You can press more and choose all time if you want. You can go and press delete data.